Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Fireside Chat. And it's me again, your host, Jam. And together with me, you know them already, no? Sa past two episodes, kasama na natin sila. But for today's episode, pag-uusapan natin ang isang napaka-importanting bagay na kailangan niyo malaman. Ang ating differentiator sa ibang mga, agencies out there. What's keeping us number one so far, all right? It's our benefits. Okay, it's our benefits. Bakit parang sobrang saya ng mga VA natin, but grabe yung attention ng mga VA natin pag-uusapan natin sa episode nito ngayon. But before anything else, let's introduce each other. Let's start with Shira. Hi, Shira.
Hello, everyone. So my name is Shira. I am the HR manager for compensation and benefits.
Next, si Fem.
Hello, HR Manager, VA Success. Yay.
Yes. Next is si Justin.
Hey guys, Justine here. One of the hiring managers here at Coconut VA.
And of course, Pak Liza. Oh,
Hello. So I'm also one of the hiring manager and also billing manager for clients.
yes. Taga-singil. Ayan. Taga-singil para may pang sahod. Ganun. Nasa aking kaliwat kanan ng mga importante. Ano yung mga tayo, Day? Ayun talaga. Anyway, sige, we're gonna talk about one by one, no? Benefit. Okay, let's start with, of course, Shira. Ano sa mga benefits si Coconut Veil talagang pang malakasan, talagang, ilalaban mo talaga?
Of course, Nima, yung ating HMO. So yung HMO natin is not available for the full-time lang. Full-time VAs only. We also have HMOs for our part-time VAs. Plus, they get to enroll free dependent on us after 1 year of service or after 1 year or after their 1 year milestone here at Coconut VA. Yeah.
So, anong panglaban ng ano natin? Wait, let's talk about HMO, ah. Anong pinagkaiba ng part-time and full-time HMO?
Okay. So for the part-time VAs, meron silang prepaid health card na they can use. And then for the full-time VAs naman, it has mas malaki yung coverage nung para sa full-time VAs kasi meron siyang 100 MBL benefits. So meron din siyang APE or annual physical exam, meron siyang dental, meron din siyang reimbursement ng up to 10,000 pesos. So doon sa benefit reimbursement only ng ating full-time VAs na HMO, you can have like anything. It doesn't have to be a medical necessity para ipa-reimburse mo. So kung nagpa-facial ka, pwede, ganon. So, and other procedures na hindi covered sa ating full-time VA HMO, pwede mo siyang ipa-reimburse up to 10,000 pesos.
May pinagkaiba ba sa full-time? Like, may sa full-time meron tayong like yung mga non-elite VAs, yung mga $12 and above. May pinagkaiba ba or same lang?
So for our $12 and above na VAs is nasa 150,000 yung coverage. Kasama na yung dependent. So same ng amount ng coverage yung dependent natin.
Nice. Eh, yung isa is 100.
100K for the $12 and below, $10 and below.
Pang malakasan, no? Grabe. Tapos, paano yung mga, Mima, yung mga mental health, yung mga mental health consultations, kasama siya sa reimbursable?
Yes, kasama siya sa reimbursable na 10,000.
That's
benefits reimbursements only.
Perfect. So, ayan na. Pang malakasang HMO natin. Siyempre, hindi papagabog si Fem. Fem, ano ba yung pakabog mo dyan na benefit na meron si Coconut VA?
Ito na nga. Ito na nga, chika. So, yung mga VAs natin, every 6 month at saka first year nila, meron tayo syempre onting pa-gift. Like a snack box, ganon. So, every 6 month nyo, parang snack box, care of Coconut VA. Chichirya while working, ganyan, para hindi tayo antukin. Ganun. Tapos, pag naka-first year na, medyo social na. May pa-wine na. Pero wag nyo inumin while working sana. Mga weekend, ganyan. Pero diba, to celebrate your first year anniversary with Coconut VA, may pa-wine, may pa-charcuterie box, ganon, no, diba?
Social yun dahil, pang weekend mo yun.
Tsaka pag birthday, aabangan mo kasi may $20 ano ka. $20 straight yan sa ano nyo sa Wise, o 'di ba? Pang lechon sa buong barangay. Ay,
Naramdaman ko yun, ni. Oo,
'di
naramdaman
ba?
ko. Pinangkain ko din.
Oh,
Ganun.
'di ba? 'Di ba? Kaya ayun, 'di ba mga
Grabe.
onting gestures lang pero meron
Big,
kayo niyan, 'di ba? Pang
big
aabangan nyo.
impact. Tsaka thoughtful dahil kasi kakatok na ng bigla, uy, bakit may delivery? Ganon, hindi naman umorder
Yung
niyan.
magagalit ka kasi ginising ka sa tulog mo, kaso pagkain eh. So, matutuwa ka. Gising ka, kain ka. Ganon.
Hindi, parang yung sa 6 month, pag binuksan mo, parang treasure chest day eh. May chichirya, may cookies, may chocolate, may drink. Sinong
Correct.
nanay mo, di ba? Parang bongga. Parang, ay, pangkabuhayan po ako package day. It's a
Correct.
pangkabuhayan package. It is. It is. It is. Okay, thank you, fam. Eh, di tayo, syempre, di magpapakabog si Justin. Justin, ano naman ang pakabog talaga ni Coconut VA na benefit pa na sobrang ini-enjoy mo?
Of course, yung hinihintay ng lahat, yung 13th month pay. So, so at the end of the year, Coconut VA also gives out 13th month pay to everyone, all of the employees. So, for the 13th month pay, syempre meron tayong pang Christmas at pang New Year din, pang Noche Buena at Medianoche din for our family. So, yon.
Correct. At saka, guys, hindi ko alam ha. I'm not sure kung tayo pa lang bang nagbibigay nun or kung meron man, iilan lang tayo nagbibigay ng Noche Buena, ng 13th month pay. Tama ba ako? Kasi ako, I've never heard. Parang wala pa
Ako
ako na
din. Oo.
May ilan, may konti lang na
konti.
nagbibigay ng 13th month pay.
Oo, pero sobrang bihira, no? Kaya, at saka guys, naramdaman ko to. Naramdaman ko itong 13th month na to. Parang ako, what? Totoo ba to? Parang, alam mo, after how many years? I've been a freelancer since 2018. Ngayon lang, last year lang ulit ako nakaramdam ng 13th month pay. It's giving, dahil. It's very, very giving. At yung computation na to ay Philippines ba na computation? Or in US dollars? Is it in US dollars yung yung 13th? In US.
Yes. Kung magkano yung rate mo?
Prorated yan. Kapag, kunwari, ngayon palang month na to, na-hired ka na, officially move forward with your client. Prorated dahil from this month to December. Pak! 13-month pay. Sinampal sa muka ng Coconut VA. Ganon.
Gusto sa akin pera.
Diba? Saya yung holidays natin dito.
It's giving. It's giving. Maraming salamat. O, diba? 13th month pay. Very competitive. Of course, magtapakabog si Liza. Ano naman sa'yo?
Diba nga? So, meron tayong mga PTO, mga paid time off, tsaka yung holidays. O, diba? Nasa bahay ka na, wala ka pang work. Kasi may
Correct.
time off ka na pwede mong gamitin, ganyan. Gusto mo magbakasyon somewhere, ayaw mo dalhin yung laptop mo, o may option ka na mag-PTO, or kapag holiday, talagang off ka. May
Yes.
partial day, just nung Monday, ganyan.
So,
So,
paid US holidays and any US holiday, you don't need to work, bayad ka your whole shift. Ganon.
Yes, ganun ang atake mo.
Tapos pagka kunwari si client decided to make you work on a US holiday, you get extra paid time off. Am I right?
Freak.
Yes,
Yes. Diba?
mako-convert siya into PTO.
Yes. Si paid
Diba?
time off is once a month, right? May once a month siya. So in a year, may 12 paid time offs ka na pwede gamitin within the year.
Yes.
Am I right? Am I correct?
Yes, is consumable to everywhere in the month.
But not transferable to the following year. Yes.
Yes.
Non-accumulative naman siya. So for example, kung ang problema mo ay ang buong pamilya mo ay nag-enjoy ng Philippine holiday, wala tayong Philippine holiday, we only have paid US holidays, edi gamitin mo yung PTO mo para makapag-enjoy ka with your family, di ba?
I believe, yes. O kaya, bakit hindi mo na
Yes,
nasayayain
yes,
mag-adjust sa US holiday?
Well,
Gamit mo yung paid time off. Ako ginagamit ko yung paid time off sa towards the end of the year na yung huli, ginamit ko siya ng Pasko at New Year na. So
December.
yung gitna nung Pasko at saka New Year, doon ko ginamit. So talagang 2 weeks ba yun na wala akong pasok? It's giving day. It's
Oo,
giving.
nananahimik ka ng 2 linggo nun.
Totoo. At pag sinabi talaga ni Coconut very tahimik, hindi ka talaga kukulutin kasi they know how to respect your time. O, di ba?
Pag nag-work ka ng weekend, bigla kang nakakatanggap ng message. Si Fem ay lagi nakakatanggap ng message. Oh, bakit ka online? Ako din, nakatanggap ako ng message one. 'Di ba ano ka, once, naka-PTO ka? Why are you online? Ay, sorry po. Hindi chine-check lang bilang workaholic.
Oo. Ayan, so ang mga minention nila kanina si Shira ay HMO, kay Fem ay yung mga treats every 6 and 12 month and your birthday. Kay Justin naman is the 13th month pay. Kay Liza is the PTO and yes, holiday. Sa akin is above average pay. Okay. Did you guys know? No, kasi usually sa mga ibang agencies, no, ang lumalabas ay mga $3 to $5 an hour, $6 an hour. Usually ang nakikita natin nowadays. Pero did you guys know with Coconut VA, right now, as of today, we're filming this at May 29, 2:32 a.m., no? Ang ating company average, pag sinabi natin company average rate, lahat ng VAs ng Coconut VA, internal, external, pag kinuha mo yung average hourly rate nila, ang per hour na company average ngayon is $8.08 an hour, which is really high compared to the usual. Dito sa Coconut VA, iba-iba yung rates per client. Depende sa client natin yan. And it can go from $6 to $12 and above per hour. Depende sa expertise mo. So talagang dito, very, very pampered ang ating mga virtual assistants. Very pampered, very masaya. Because pag maniniwala kami, pag masaya ang VA, masaya sino? Si client. At pag masaya si client, anong masaya? Yung business. Kaya natin tinatawag tong win-win-win culture. Do you believe, guys? Yes?
I believe.
Yeah.
We
Believe.
believe.
We
Dito
survive.
kasi we're extra eh. We're not win-win lang. We are win-win-win. Hello? Hello? And to
Giving
top
starstruck.
all, correct. All of these, parang we are really, really proud of our culture. Tama ba, guys? Ikaw, like, sige, based on experience, one by one, ano yung favorite part mo, Shira? Like, nung nandito ka sa Coconut Bay na hindi mo na-experience sa ibang pinanggalingan mo?
Work-life
Personally.
balance. Work-life balance. Kasi pag natapos na yung shift mo, you can answer to emails or to questions on your next shift na. Unlike dati yung nag-work pa ako sa government agency. Oh my God, Mima, nasubukan kong 10 p.m. Tinawagan na ako. Tapos alam mo ang tanong sa akin?
Ano?
Ma'am Sheila, ano bang nakalagay dun sa application ko? Personal data sheet kasi yan sa government, diba? Sa page 2 ng personal data sheet. Kasi sarap sagutin, ano ba? Hindi ko naman memorize lahat yan.
Tinatawagan after hours, me.
Yeah. So no pressure sa atin to answer. But of course, nasa sayo na yon to do the extra mile. But here we give importance to work-life balance. So pag weekends or off mo or PTO ka or after shift mo, then we rest.
Yeah, actually, they encourage you to travel too, diba? And spend more time with your family. Huwag puro work. Kasi kine-question nila, bakit ka puro work? Oo. At kine-question nila, ba't ka hindi nagpa-file ng OT dyan? Ganon.
Ba't
Hindi
ka
gigil.
online ngayon?
Oo. Ayan. Ikaw, Fem, how about you personally? What was like the best thing when it comes to culture?
Culture, wala, alaga not just me, but my kids as well because I have 2 little boys. So, single mom, nung nalaman nila Eric na single mom ako with 2 little boys, ay sobrang awang-awa sila sa buhay ko. Bigyan nila ako na ni incentive ba? Kasi
Wow.
matagal na akong VA eh. As a VA, ito yung as a VA na I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best and parang ayun, nalaman nila na ganun yung situation ko is nagkaroon ako ng nanny incentive. So meaning sila ang nagpapasahod sa aking nanny.
Diba?
So ayun, isa yun sa the best kasi nakatulong talaga siya sa akin na matulog. Makatulog pagkatapos ng work. But yeah, so yun yung isa sa pinaka I think the best na binigay sa akin nila Eric, yung help na need ko ay yung nanny incentive. So, thank you, Coconut VA!
Hindi mo kinaya. Yun ang title. Thank you, Coconut VA.
I believe. Correct.
Thank you, Fem. Si Justin. Justin, ikaw. How about
Sig-
you?
Siguro what I like most about, working here is I can bring my work anywhere. Like last time nung umuwi yung mga relatives ko from Canada, of course, night shift ako and then, they're still awake tapos nagkwentuhan pa. So I can still spend time with them. I just brought my laptop with me and then I was still working. And then I could still spend time with them, listen to their conversation while still working. So what I like most is I can bring my work almost anywhere, basta may Wi-Fi connection lang or may internet connection lang. So, yeah.
Correct. Correct yan. Oo, talagang definition din yan ng work-life balance, Mima. I love it. How about you, Liza Soberano? Uy, Liza Soberano.
Like, I mean, charot. So, kind of the same with Justin. So, I travel a lot, as you guys know, and very, considerate ni Coconut VA. Yun nga na parang pinipilit ako mag-PTO kapag nagta-travel ako. Eh, I want to work while I travel. So,
Correct.
mas gusto ko nag-work ako kahit nasaang bansa ako or kahit nasaang lugar ako. And also, basta sobrang generous ni Coconut VA. Like, since from the start, kasi the first ever like travel na ginawa ko like when I was here in Coconut VA was in Korea, and that was shouldered by the founders by Coconut
Oh,
VA. Like yeah, hindi nyo siguro alam kasi matagal na yun eh. So yun yung parang first ever nila, parang token of appreciation nila kumbaga sa akin. Sobrang grateful ako na shouldered nila yung travel ko to Korea first time after pandemic yon, and I get to watch my favorite K-pop BTS. Yun yung talagang so shoulder nila yung yung expenses ko ganyan. And then I get to watch my favorite K-pop boy band BTS,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
the rest is history. So that's why I'm sticking forever to go with Coconut PA.
Correct.
So
Correct.
ayun,
At saka napansin ko nga na very supportive sila sa travels mo, sa mga concerts mo.
'di ba?
Totoo.
Like,
Oo.
ayun.
Kasi guys, kasi yung alam guys, sila isang employee number one. Siya talaga yung pinakauna talaga. No, tama ba?
Order lang.
From
Since day
Venture
one.
Valley, tama ba?
Venture validator.
Yeah.
Kasama ko si Hana. Si Hana.
Ay, si Hana yung number one.
Oo, and then ako yung number 1 na internal.
Internal. Siya yung number one na internal. Thank you for correcting me. Ayan, but for
Hi,
you,
Hana. Charot.
hi Hana, ako napapanood to. Pasensya na. Ako naman, ang pinaka gusto ko dito, and I believe you guys would all agree, is zero micromanagement. Yes. Sobrang ako ng micromanagement, guys. You know what? We have time trackers, yes. But our time trackers are not recording. They're not screen recording. They don't give screenshots. It's just in and out for payroll purposes, timekeeping. No? Kaya it's super, ako nagaling kasi ako guys sa time doctor. And feeling ko gusto kong magpa-doctor after. Charis! Ayoko nun. Ayoko nun. So here in Coconut VA, we work based on trust. Okay? We trust like at the end of the week, may productivity. No? Na may yung mga VA natin, may sinesend silang end of the week, no? End of week report. Tama ba ako? So, as long as you're productive, wala tayong problema, no? Eh yun nga lang pag inabuso natin guys, mabibigyan tayo ng time doctor. Pagka 'di ba? Pagka inabuso proven. So ayan. So wag na lang natin gawin 'yon. So ang pinaka gusto ko dito talaga is really um no zero micromanagement. Ayun. So, yun. Thank you guys for sharing at sana talagang madami kayong napulot na talagang pangmalakasang benefit. Comment below kung ano yung favorite yung benefit. Ilagay natin sa comment section at talagang babasahin namin isa-isa. As if ang dami nagko-comment, no? Pero please comment kayo dyan kung anong best na benefit para sa'yo. Kaya gusto nyong mapunta ng Coconut VA. If you guys want to apply, all you have to do is to click that application form sa description box or sa dito, kung saan man yan. Alright? Guys, No? Ladies, thank you for joining me once again. Alam ko umay na kayo kakakuha ng calendar invite ko for recording. Pero salamat at talaga pinupush niyo with me. I appreciate all of you. Alam kong busy kayo. And sana you guys learned a lot from this episode and had fun, no? And I'll see you guys once again on the next episode. Bye!